Hello students! Nice to see you again and please welcome back to our Brown English class. So I am your English teacher. You can call me Teacher Kwan. Nice to see you again everyone. Alright students, today we are going to have fun together with our wonderful story. So before we move to our story, students, we are going to sing and dance together. Do you love to sing and dance with me?
Yes.
Yeah, very nice. Now please stand up everyone. Let's sing and dance together. And let's begin with our first song that we call Hello Hello Song. Alright student, now let's say it up. And then let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands?
1, 2, 3.
Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands?
1, 2, 3.
Can you stretch your
Now straight up
spine?
high.
Can you
And
touch
touch
your
your
toes?
toes.
Can
And
you
then
turn
turn
around?
around.
Can you say
Alright, this
hello?
time say hello. Well done. Do it again.
Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet?
1, 2, 3.
Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet?
1, 2, 3.
Can you stretch
And
your
now straight up
spine?
high.
Can you touch
Touch
your
your
toes?
toes.
Can
And
you
then
turn
turn
around?
around.
Can you
Alright,
say
don't forget to
hello?
say hello. Great work. One more time.
Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands?
1, 2, 3.
Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet?
1, 2, 3. And don't forget to say hello. Great work, students. Alright, now let's move to the next song. And this song we call Dance Anywhere You Want To. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's sing and dance. Alright, let's set up again and then move your head.
Dance, dance, dance. Any way you want to.
Let's dance.
Dance, dance. Any way you want
Now
to.
dance faster.
Dance, any way you want to. Now it's time to stop.
Stop. Let's jump.
Jump, jump. Any way you want to.
Now jump.
Jump, jump. Any way you want to.
And jump faster.
Jump, any way you want to. Now it's time to stop.
Stop. Great work, student. And then let's move your head. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's crawl.
Crawl, crawl, any way you want to. Crawl, 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 any way you want
And
to.
faster.
Crawl, crawl, any way you want to. Now it's time to stop.
Stop. Oh, great work, everyone. You are good dancers. Alright, now let's move to our entry song. Let's sing and dance, everyone. English, English, ABC. It's time to play. Let's go, what do you think? Let's play with English. Brown English. Hello kids, sing and dance. It's time to start with Kids, Brown English. Alright, and please welcome back to our Brown English class. Oh wow!
Magic Show.
Alright, everyone. And today, now we have our wonderful story of
Magic Show.
our magic show. Can you remember Nina here?
Yes.
Great work. And this man, oh wow, he is the magician. Alright, do you want to see our story of magic show?
Yes.
Great work, everyone. But before we move to our story, everyone, teacher have some questions to ask all of you. Now, let's answer the question with part of daily routine. All right, and let's begin with the first question. So, the first question that teacher want to know is, how are you? Students, how are you? How are you today? How do you feel, everyone? So, today, are you sad? Students, are you sad?
No, teacher.
Oh, great work. If you are not sad, what about this one? Are you angry, everyone? Are you angry?
No.
Oh, excellent. If you are not angry too. Now, let's find out with this. Are you happy? Students, are you happy?
Yes.
Oh, very nice. All right, this time, let's say with me. You will say, I am happy. Your turn.
I am happy.
All right, one more time and louder, please. I am happy. Your turn.
I am happy.
Oh, fantastic. All right, now let's move to the next question. And our question is, listen, everyone.
How's the weather?
Oh, listen to our question one more time.
How's the weather?
Then repeat after me. How's the weather? Your turn.
How's the weather?
Oh, very nice. All right, student. How's the weather? Can you answer this question? Tick tock, tick tock. Now let's find out with. Oh, look at the window, student. Look at the outside. And then today, look.
It's raining.
Is this raining, everyone? Today, is this raining?
No, teacher.
Oh, great work. No, now it's not raining. All right, if it's not raining, what about this? Look.
It's sunny.
Today, is it sunny? Is it sunny?
No, it's not.
No, it's not. Yeah, it's not sunny too. All right, now let's check up with this one. If it's not sunny, what about this? Oh, look.
It's cloudy.
So, today is this cloudy? Is this cloudy?
Yes, teacher.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Great word. Today it's cloudy. Yes, it is. All right, now listen and repeat.
It's cloudy.
Say with me. It's cloudy. Your turn.
It's cloudy.
Excellent. All right, do it again one more time. And this time, when you say it's cloudy, you have to act like this, everyone. Drawing a big cloud like this. All right, are you ready?
Yes.
Let's practice more.
It's cloudy.
Now it's back to you. Let's say and act, follow me. It's cloudy. Your turn.
It's cloudy.
Oh, excellent. All right, now it's end up with part of daily routine. Then get back to our screen. So today we are going to watch our story with part of Storybox. After that, we are going to practice more with part of reading. So everyone, today we are going to read our story. So are you ready?
Yes.
Let's watch our story first. And the title of our story is
Magic Show.
Student, repeat after me. Magic show. Your turn.
Magic show.
Very nice. All right, let's move to our story box and let's pay attention with our story.
Storybox.
Magic Show.
Oh, magic show.
Welcome to my magic show.
Look at
Put your
Nina.
hand in. How does it feel?
It feels soft.
What is it?
letter?
Alright, student, can you remember our story box? Oh, look at our Nina. So this man, he asked Nina to put your hand in. And then how does it feel? So Nina say, it feels soft. Student, can you remember what is it inside this box?
Lamb.
Lamb that you say. Alright, now let's check. Oh yeah, it's
I'm a lamb. It's my leg.
Oh.
It feels soft.
It's lamb's legs. It feels soft.
How does it feel?
It feels hard.
What is it?
It feels-
Is it wood?
Oh, but this time, everyone, this time Nina, she say, oh, inside this box, it feels hard. Is this a wood, everyone?
No.
So what is it? Guess what?
Turtle's back.
Oh, turtle's back. All right, now let's check out with Nina. Oh yeah,
I'm a
excellent.
turtle. It's my back.
Ah.
It feels
It's
hard.
turtle back, like you say, it's really hard.
How does it feel?
The next one.
It feels slippery.
What is it?
Is it soap?
Alright, now we move to the next one. But this time, Nina, she say, inside this box it feels slippery. Alright, student, can you remember what is it that feels slippery?
Dolphin smile.
Oh, dolphin smile. Alright, if you say dolphin smile, now let's check it out. Look, yeah,
I'm a
very
dolphin.
nice.
It's my mouth. It feels slippery.
It's dolphin smile and it feels slippery. Good on you.
How does it feel?
And then,
It feels rough.
What is it?
Is it a rock?
oh, this time, everyone, Nina, she say inside this box it feel rough. Is this a rock, everyone?
No.
Oh no, what is it? Can you remember? Inside this one.
Alligator's tail.
Oh, if you say alligator's tail, now let's check it out together. Oh, look at this. Oh wow,
I'm
excellent.
an alligator. It's my tail. It feels rough.
Yeah, it's alligator's tail and it feels rough.
How does it feel?
Look.
It feels sharp.
What is it?
Ouch!
Ouch.
Is it a needle?
Oh, alright, student. Now let's look at Nina. She touched this one inside this ball, but she said, ouch! Is this a needle, student? Ouch!
No.
It's feel sharp. What is it? Guess what?
Hedgehog's hair.
Oh, if you say hedgehog's hair, now let's find out with this one. Yeah, it's
I'm a
hedgehog.
hedgehog. It's my hair. It feels sharp.
Yeah, it's hedgehog's hair and it feels sharp.
How does it feel?
Ouch! It hurts me.
What's the matter?
Oh, this time. Ouch! Nina, she say, inside this one, it's hurt me. It's hurt her fingers, everyone. Oh, guess what? What is it?
Crab's
Oh,
hand.
maybe crab's hand, like you say. Alright, now let's find out together. Look.
It bites my finger.
Yes, it is. It's crab's hand and it's bite her finger. Excellent, everyone. Alright, now it's the end with our magic show. Have you enjoyed with our story?
Yes.
Excellent. Alright, let's move to the next part, everyone. And this part, we are going to practice with part of reading. So we are going to read our story. Alright now, everyone, please bring your storybook beside you. Have you had this one?
Yes.
This one that we call storybooks. And you will see the title of this book, Magic Show. So we are going to practice how to read our story together. Don't forget to bring it beside you. And students, today teacher has something to show you. Alright, have you had this one in your home?
Yes.
Yes, very nice. Alright, so this one that we call a wonder pen. And today teacher will show you how to use our wonder pen. Alright, are you ready?
Yes.
The first step, teacher will open our pen.
Brown Education.
Oh,
Kids Brown Wings.
yes, it's presented by Kids Brown Wing. So if you have this pen, don't forget to use it. Student, you can use this pen by tap to the title of our storybook like this.
Magic Show.
Oh, Magic Show. It can read the title of our story. Listen again.
Magic Show.
Oh, Magic Show. One more time.
Magic Show.
Yeah, the title of our story is Magic Show. Now, let's check out what's inside our storybook. Oh, look at the magician and Nina here. Now, students, let's practice with our sentences of this storybook. Teacher will tap this pen on the sentence that this man say. Now, look and listen.
How does it feel?
Oh, how's that is feel? It can read our sentence. What about another one?
What is it?
Oh, what is it? Now move to part of Nina. Oh, look at her.
It feels hard.
Oh, she said it feels hard. So, student, you can use this pen by tap to our sentences. After that, try to listen. And then try to repeat after this pen like this.
Is it wood?
When you tap,
Is it wood?
then try to listen. After that, say follow this pen. Is this wood like this? Alright, if you want to practice more with part of words, student, you can just a little tap our wonder pen with the picture. So, what kind of this animal?
Read after the records.
Sorry. What kind of these animals? Guess what?
Turtle.
Turtle. Alright, now let's check out by use our wonder pen.
Bat.
Bag. Yes, this one is
Recording
bag of the...
begins.
Sorry. Do it again.
Recording is
Turtle.
Turtle. Oh, it can read our word.
begins.
Sorry.
Turtle.
Yes, it can read our word.
Recording.
Turtle.
Maximum
So,
touch and read.
don't
Kids Brown Wings.
Don't forget to use our pen by just a little tap. After that, try to listen and then try to speak. Follow this pen. Alright for today.
Bye-bye. See you again.
Thank you so much, Wonder Pen. Bye bye. See you again. And then get back to our. Now let's practice with part of reading. So move to reading part.
Reading.
And look at the screen. So this one is our storybook. And the title of our storybook is, listen.
Magic Show.
Alright, now it's back to you. Say with me.
Magic Show.
Magic Show. Your turn.
Magic Show.
Oh, very nice. Now let's practice how to read together. Let's move to page 1 of our storybook. Oh, wow. Look at the man and Nina. So, this man, he is the magician. And then he says,
Welcome to my magic show.
everyone, back to you. Repeat after me. Welcome to my magic show. Your turn.
Welcome to my magic show.
Very nice. Then he asks Nina to
Put your hand in.
repeat after me. Put your hand in. Your turn.
Put your hand in.
And then
How does it feel?
How does it feel? Your turn.
How does it feel?
Great work. And then move to Nina. Nina, she says,
It feels soft.
repeat after me. It feels soft. Your turn.
It feels soft.
Oh, now back to the man again. And then this man, he asks to Nina,
What is it?
what is it? Your turn.
What is it?
Ah, great work. And then Nina, she says,
Is it a sweater?
repeat after me. Is this a sweater? Your turn.
Is this a sweater?
Oh, very nice. Is this a sweater? Alright, now let's check out with page 2. So now we move to page 2. Oh, student, look. What is it? Look at the picture. It's a
Lamb.
lamb. Very nice. And then the lamb says,
I'm a lamb.
say with me, I'm a lamb. Your turn.
I'm a lamb.
Great work. And then,
It's my leg.
it's my leg. Your turn.
It's my leg.
It feels soft.
It feels soft. Your turn.
It feels soft.
Oh, very nice. This one is lamb's leg and it feels soft. So now let's move to our storybook on page 3. Oh, look at page 3. Now we move to the man and Nina again. Then this time he says,
How does it feel?
repeat after me. How does it feel? Your turn.
How does it feel?
Then part of Nina. This time she says,
It feels hard.
it feels hard. Your turn.
It feels hard.
Then move to the man again.
What is it?
What is it? Your turn.
What is it?
Very nice. And this time, oh, look at Nina. And she says,
Is it wood?
repeat after me. Is this wood? Your turn.
Is this wood?
Ah, great work. Is this wood? Now let's check out together on page 4. So, student, alright, now we move to page 4. Oh, and look at this one. What is it?
Turtle.
Yeah, it's turtle. And then the turtle says,
I'm a turtle.
repeat after me. I'm a turtle. Your turn.
I'm a turtle.
It's my back.
It's my back. Your turn.
It's my back.
And then
It feels hard.
it feels hard. Your turn.
It feels hard.
Very nice, student. And this part is turtle's back and it feels hard. Excellent. So now let's move to page 5, student. Oh, we're back to the man and Nina again. Alright, now let's listen.
How does it feel?
Say with me. How does it feel? Your turn.
How does it feel?
Alright then, Nina, she says,
It feels slippery.
repeat after me. It feels slippery. Your turn.
It feels slippery.
Ah, and then this man, he asks to Nina,
What is it?
what is it? Your turn.
What is it?
Great word. Then look at Nina. And she says,
Is it soap?
repeat after me. Is it soap? Your turn.
Is it soft?
Ah, great work. Is it soap? So let's find out on page 6. Oh, now we move to page 6. Student. Oh, look at this animal. What is it?
Dolphin.
Yeah, it's dolphin. And then the dolphin says,
I'm a dolphin.
say with me, I'm a dolphin. Your turn.
I'm a dolphin.
Very nice. And then,
It's my mouth.
it's my mouth. Your turn.
It's my mouth.
It feels slippery.
It feels slippery. Your turn.
It feels feels slippery.
Oh, very nice. And this part is dolphin's mouth and it feels slippery. Excellent, everyone. So now let's move to page 7. Oh, we get back to the man again. And he says,
How does it feel?
how does it feel? Your turn.
How does it feel?
And then move to Nina and she says,
It feels rough.
repeat after me. It feels rough. Your turn.
It feels rough.
And then back to the man again. So he says,
What is it?
what is it? Your turn.
What is it?
I'll get back to Nina. This time she says,
Is it a rock?
repeat after me, everyone. Is this a rock? Your turn.
Is this a rock?
Oh, is this a rock? So now let's find out on page 8. Move to page 8, everyone. Oh, look at this animal on page 8. What is it?
Alligator.
Yeah, it's alligator. And then the alligator says,
I'm an alligator.
repeat after me. I'm an alligator. Your turn.
I'm an alligator.
It's my tail.
It's my tail. Your turn.
It's my tail.
Good job. And then the next one.
It feels rough.
It feels rough. Your turn.
It feels rough.
Great work. This part is the alligator's tail and it feels rough. Excellent, everyone. Now let's move to page 9. Oh, look at page 9. Now we get back to this man and he says,
How does it feel?
how does it feel? Your turn.
How does it feel?
Move to part of Nina and she says,
It feels sharp.
it feels sharp. Your turn.
It feels sharp.
Excellent. And then back to the man again.
What is it?
What is it? Your turn.
What is it?
Great work. Then move to Nina. And Nina, she says,
Ouch! Is it a needle?
repeat after me. Ouch. Your turn.
Ouch!
Is this a needle? Your turn.
Is this a needle?
Oh, very nice. Ouch. Is this a needle? Now let's find out on page 10. Student, move your storybook on page 10. And then look at the picture on page 10. What is it?
Hedgehog.
Yeah, it's hedgehog. And this part, hedgehog says,
I'm a hedgehog.
repeat after me. I'm a hedgehog. Your turn.
I'm a hedgehog.
It's my hair.
It's my hair. Your turn.
It's my hair.
It feels sharp.
It feels sharp. Your turn.
It feels sharp.
Very nice. Oh, this part is hedgehog's hair and it feels sharp. Excellent. Now let's move to page 11. Everyone, now we move to page 11. And then back to this man again. So he says,
How does it feel?
how does it feel? Your turn.
How does it feel?
Very nice. Then part of Nina. Oh, look at her. This time she says,
Ouch! It hurts me.
repeat after me. Ouch! It hurts me. Your turn.
Out! It hurts me.
Very nice. Oh, ouch! It hurts me. It hurt her finger, everyone. Then get back to this man. So he says,
What's the matter?
what's the matter? Your turn.
What's the matter?
Very nice. What's the matter? Now let's find out on page 12. Oh, and we move to page 12. Student, look at this one. Oh, what is it?
Crab.
Yes, it's crab. And look at this part. Oh, Nina, she says,
It bites my finger.
repeat after me. It bites my finger. Your turn.
It bites my finger.
Excellent. So this crab bites her finger. And now it's end up with our story. So you are good readers, everyone. Don't forget to practice how to read our story book. So now let's move to the next part, student. And this part we are going to have fun together with part of Fun Box. So do you want to play the game?
Yes.
Alright, now let's move to our Fun Box.
Fun box.
And this game, everyone, we call matching game. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's move to matching game.
Matching game.
Oh wow!
Look at the picture and match the same body parts.
Oh wow, student! And this is our games, matching game. We are going to look at our picture. Oh, now teacher have 10 pictures over there. After that, we are going to match the same body parts. Are you ready?
Yes.
Now let's check out first. What do we have? Oh, look at this picture. Oh, the big one over there. This one is mouth. Oops, look at the red one. Student, guess what? What is it?
Hair.
Yes, look like hair. And then the next part. Oh, how does it look like?
Tail.
Yeah, it look like tail. What about this one? Oh, it look like the
Hair.
hair. Yes. Oops, look at this. How does it look like?
Crab's hand.
It look like crab's hands. Very nice. Now it's back to you, everyone. We are going to match the same body parts. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's begin with the first one.
Mouth.
Oh, it's mouth. Now it's back to you. Let's help me to find out another mouth from our picture. Which one does look like mouth? The black one over there? Oh, what is it?
Dolphin's
Yeah,
mouth.
it's dolphin mouth. Now, is this matched to mouth?
Yes.
Alright, now let's match with this one.
Mouth.
Yes, it's mouth. Excellent. Alright, now we got this one already. Let's move to the next body parts. Look at this one.
Hair.
Oh, hair, student, it's hair. Let's find out hair. Which one is the same body parts of hair? Is this hair? Oh,
No.
look. No, it doesn't look like hair. What about this one? Oh, is this a hedgehog?
Yes.
And is this hedgehog's hair?
Yes, teacher.
Alright, now let's check.
Hair.
Yes, it's hairs too. Then this part is match. Alright, now let's move to the next thing. And this body part is...
Tail.
Oh, tail. Now it's back to you, everyone. Which one is the pictures of tail? Look, is this look like tail?
No.
Oh no. Oops, look at the pink one over there. Guess what? What is it?
Pig's tail.
Oh, pig's tails. Alright, if you said pig's tail. Now let's check with this part.
Tail.
Yeah, it's tail. Very nice. Alright, now move to the next things. Look at this one.
Hand.
Oh, hand, student. Back to you again. Let's find out hand. Oh, look at this one. Is this hand? Is this look like a finger?
No.
Oh no. What about this part? Oh. How does this look like? Is this hand?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, teacher.
Alright, now let's match with this
Hand.
one. Yes, it is. It's hand. It has fingers. And then now we move to the next part. Oops, we have just two left. And this part is
Legs.
legs. And look at this picture. Is this legs?
Yes.
Yes, and guess what? What kind of this animal?
Lamb.
Lambs. Oh, maybe it's lamb's legs. Now let's match.
Legs.
Oh yeah, it's legs too. So excellent, everyone. Alright, now it's enough with our game. Good on you. Now let's read our word with this part. Student, listen and say.
It's my legs.
Repeat after me. It's my legs. Your turn.
It's my leg.
Great work. And then the next one.
It's my hand.
Repeat after me. It's my hand. Your turn.
It's my hand.
Very nice. And then the next one over there.
It's my mouth.
Repeat after me. It's my mouth. Your turn.
It's my mouth.
Great work. And then the next picture. This one is
It's my tail.
the pig. And our sentence is it's my tail. Your turn.
It's my tail.
Very nice. And then the next one over there. This one is
It's my legs.
what is it, student?
Lion.
Yeah, it's lion. And our sentence is
It's my legs.
repeat after me. It's my legs. Your turn.
It's my legs.
Great work, everyone. All right, now it's end up with our game. So let's move to the next part, student. And this part we are going to do our exercise together. So student, now please bring your workbook or your worksheet beside you. Alright, please bring your workbook or your worksheet beside you. Then please open it on page 12 and 13, student. Page 12 and 13 is look like this. You will see the picture like this one. Alright.
Workbook.
You will see the pictures here. Alright, and this part of our exercise, student. We call it feel soft. So this part of our exercise, we are going to match the pictures over there to the correct sentences over there. Alright, student, don't forget to find out your pencil. Maybe you can use some colors or crayons. It's according to you. And then let's practice with part of page 12 first. Are you ready, everyone?
Yes.
Now let's look at our pictures. So the first one over there. Now we have, guess what? What is it?
Alligator.
It's alligator. Yes, it is. And then the next one over there. What is it? Guess what?
Lamb.
Yeah, it's a lamb. And then the next one over there. What is it?
Turtle.
Yeah, it's turtle. So now we have the pictures of alligator, lamb, and turtle. Then move to our sentences. Now let's practice with our sentence, student. Let's read our sentences. Say with me. It feels soft. Your turn.
It feels soft.
Very nice. The next one is it feels hard. Your turn.
It feels hard.
Excellent. And then the next one over there. This sentence is it feels rough. Your turn.
It feels rough.
Excellent, student. After that, we are going to match our picture with the right sentences. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's look at the first sentence. It feels soft. Student, who is feel soft? Guess what? Which one does feel soft?
Lamb.
Lamb. Alright, if you say lamb, yes it is. The lamb is feel soft. Now student, let's match this sentence to the right picture here. Drawing the line dot to dot like this. So now let's move to the next sentence. And this one is it feels hard. It feels hard. Which one does feel hard, student? Guess what?
Turtle.
Turtle. Very nice. Yes, it is. The turtle is had a hard back. Alright, now let's match our sentence to the right pictures over there. Drawing the line dot to dot. And now we move to the last sentence of page 12, student. And our last sentence over there, this one is, it feels rough. rough. So, which one does feel rough? The last one. What is it?
Alligator.
Alligator. Yes, it is. Alright, now let's match this part of sentence to the right pictures over there. Drawing the line dot to dot again. So, have you finished with our exercise on page 12?
Yes.
Great work then, student. Let's move to our exercise on page 13. And this part of our exercise, we are going to do the same direction with page 12. So look at the picture first. This time teacher have 3 pictures over there. Oh, look at the white one. It's so cute. What is it?
Rabbit.
Yeah, it's rabbit. And the next one, oh, the black one over there. Guess what? What is it?
Dolphin.
Yeah, it's dolphin. And the next one, oh, the small one. What is it?
Hedgehog.
Yeah, it's hedgehog. Now this part we have rabbit, dolphin, and hedgehog. And we have 3 sentences again. Let's read the sentence. Student, repeat after me. The first one. It feels slippery. Your turn.
It feels slippery.
Excellent. And then this one is, it feels fluffy. Your turn.
It feels fluffy.
Very nice. And then the last one over there, it feels sharp. Your turn.
It feels sharp.
Alright, very nice. Student, now it's back to you. Let's match the sentences to the right pictures. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's begin with the first sentence. Oh, it feels slippery. It feels slippery. Student, which one does feel slippery? Let's find out.
Dolphin.
Dolphin. Alright, excellent. The dolphin is feels slippery. Now let's match everyone. This sentence to the right picture of the dolphin. It feels slippery. Alright, have you finished with this part? Now we move to the next sentence, and this sentence is, it feels fluffy. Oh, everyone, which one does feel fluffy? Is this a hedgehog? It feels fluffy.
No.
Oh no, it's not. What about the rabbit? Is this feel fluffy?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Alright, now let's match this sentence to the right picture of the rabbit.
Yes.
Alright, now we move to the last sentence, student. And our last sentence is, it feels sharp. It feels sharp, everyone. Which one does feel sharp?
Hedgehog.
Yeah, hedgehog. Our last picture, the hedgehog, is had the sharp hair. Alright, now let's match our sentence to the right picture of hedgehog. Drawing the line dot to dot like this. So now, have you finished with our exercise?
Yes.
Excellent, everyone. Oh, now you got an exercise here. And end up with part of our exercise. So now, student, we are going to practice more with our student book. So everyone, now please bring your student book beside you.
Student book.
What is it?
Oh,
Fold along the lines and role play.
all right.
is it?
And this part of our activities that we are going to practice more is part of our student book. Now, student, please bring your student book beside you. And then you have to open it on page 12 and 13. So it looks like this part. And this part of our activity, student. We are going to fold along the line. So, can you see the line? This one. We have the line over there. And this part on page 13 too. You can see the line here. So, we are going to fold along the line like this. You have to fold it together. Oh, when you fold this part, student, you will get this picture like this. Alright, you will see the picture like this. And this part of page 13 too. When you fold it, it will come together. You will get the pictures and the right sentences too. And the next one, student, if you fold it like this, sorry. Bring it come together from page 13 to page 12. You will see the pictures of this one. All the grasshopper, the elephant and the alligator here. And the same thing. When you flow this part of page you can see this picture. And then after that, the next one. It's the same. So you can switch two of them on page 12 and 13. You can switch it. And then you will get the complete picture like this. It's come together. Like the complete of alligator's mouth like this. The elephant nose like this. So after that, we are going to read our sentences. Let's begin with the first one. And this part of our activities we call
What is it?
What is it? So let's begin with this one. Oh, student, can you see the green one over there?
Yes.
Oh, yes. What is it? Guess what? And then let's check.
What is it?
Look.
It's my eye.
Oh, student, what can you see? It's
Yes.
grasshopper. And the grasshopper is saying, it's my eyes. Now, listen and say with the dialogue.
What is it? It's my eye.
Repeat after me. What is it? Your turn.
What is it?
It's my eyes. Your turn.
It's my eye.
Very nice. All right, student. Now let's move to the man with the green hair. Oh, the boy with the green hair over there. And he say, listen.
What is it?
Look.
It's my nose.
Oh, student, what can you see this one? What is it?
Elephant.
Yeah, it's the elephant. And then listen to this dialogue one more time.
What is it?
It's my nose.
Now say with me, everyone. What is it? Your turn.
What is it?
It's my nose. Your turn.
It's my nose.
Great work. And then let's find out with the boy who has the brown hair over there. So he say, now look and listen.
What is it? It's my mouth.
Oh, the green one. Student, what is it? This animal. Alligator. Oh, and then listen to this dialogue one more time.
What is it? It's my mouth.
Now say with me. What is it? Your turn.
What is it?
It's my mouth. Your turn.
It's my mouth.
Oh, very nice, everyone. Then look at this picture. Oh, guess what? What is it? Then,
It's my hand.
oh, student, now listen.
What is it?
It's my hand.
All right, now let's practice. Say with me. What is it? Your turn.
What is it?
It's my hand.
It's my hand. Your turn.
It's my hand.
Great work. Then the next one. Oh, can you see the blue one over there? Then this girl, she says,
What is it?
what is it? Your turn.
What is it?
Look at this part.
It's my arm.
Repeat after me. It's my arm. Your turn.
It's my arm.
Ah, yes, it's robot's arm. And then, can you see the pink one here?
Yes.
Oh, the girl say,
What is it?
what is it? Your turn.
What is it?
And then move to the pink one. Look.
It's my tail.
Oh, it's a pig. And then repeat after me. The pig say, it's my tail. Your turn.
It's my tail.
Very nice, student. Oh, look at the yellow one. Then the girl say,
What is it?
what is it? Your turn.
What is it?
Look.
It's my foot.
Oh, it's the hand. And the hand say, it's my foot.
my foot.
Great work. Then move to the next part over there. So the girl says,
What is it?
what is it? Your turn.
What is it?
Then look at this one.
It's my leg.
Oh, it's the lion. And the lion say, repeat after me. It's my leg. Your turn.
It's my leg.
Very nice. Oh, now we move to the last one over there. Guess what? What is it? Then the girl says,
What is it?
what is it? Your turn.
What is it?
Move to part of the green one.
It's my bag.
Oh, it's turtle. And then the turtle say, it's my bag. Your turn.
It's my bag.
Great work, student. Alright, now it's enough with part of our activities. What is it? So let's move to the next part, everyone. And this part, we are going to listen with our new song. Oh, this one is our new song. And this song we call How Does It Feel? Are you ready, everyone?
Yes.
Now listen carefully to this song. How does it feel?
How does it feel?
How does it feel?
It feels soft.
How does it feel?
It feels hard.
How does it feel?
It feels rough.
How does it feel? Ouch!
It feels sharp. How does it feel?
It feels soft.
How does it feel?
It feels hard.
How does it feel?
It feels rough.
How does it feel?
Ouch! It feels sharp.
Alright, everyone. And this song we call How Does It Feel? So today we are going to practice how to sing and dance with this song. Alright, now let's sing first. And then we are going to practice how to sing this one section by section. Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, now let's begin with the first section of this song.
How does it feel?
It feels soft.
Students, sing follow me. How does it feel? Your turn.
How does it feel?
It feels soft. Your turn.
It feels soft.
Very nice. And then the next section is listen carefully.
How does it feel?
It feels hard.
Now sing follow me again. How does it feel? Your turn.
How does it feel?
This part is feel hard. Your turn.
It feels hot.
Oh, very nice. And then the next section. So this part is sing.
How does it feel?
It feels rough.
Alright, sing follow me. How does it feel? Your turn.
How does it feel?
It feels rough. Your turn.
It feels rough.
Oh, very nice. Alright, now let's move to the next section.
How does it feel?
Ouch! It feels sharp.
Alright, student, now sing follow me. How does it feel? Your turn.
How does it feel?
Ouch! Your turn.
Ouch!
It feels sharp. Your turn.
It feels sharp.
Alright, good on you, student. And this part of our song, we sing with the same direction of the first part. So now everyone, it's back to you. Let's sing along together with the whole song of How Does It Feel? Are you ready?
Yes.
Don't forget to sing it louder.
How does it feel?
It feels soft.
How does it feel?
It feels hard.
How does it feel?
It feels rough.
How does it feel?
Ouch! It feels sharp. How does it feel?
you how to dance with our song. How does it feel? Alright, stand up everyone. So the part of this song that we sing, how does it feel? You have to act like this everyone. How does it feel? Move your hand like this, out and up like this. How does it feel? And then you have to move your legs by use your left side. Move to your left side and then use your right legs to your right side like this. How does it feel? Alright, move your hand together with your legs like this. And then part that we sing, it feels soft. So student, it feels soft. You have to act like this. It feel and then soft like this. Oh, it's soft. And then part of it feel hard. It feel hard. You have to stamp your hand like this. It feel hard. Alright, one more time. It feel hard. Very nice. And then the next part that we sing, it feel rough. So student, roll your hand again. It feel and then rough. You have to act like clap your hands like this. One more time. It feel rough. Excellent. And then the next part that we sing, ouch. Ouch. It feel sharp. You have to act like this. Ouch. It feel sharp like this. Like show your little fingers like this and then move up and down. Alright, great work student. Now we have practiced how to sing and dance with this song already. So this part, let's sing and dance together
Warm up.
with this song that we call How Does It Feel? Are you ready everyone?
Yes.
Let's sing and dance together.
How does it feel?
It feels soft.
How does it feel?
It feels hard.
How does it feel?
It feels rough.
How does it feel?
Ouch! It feels sharp. How does it feel?
It feels soft.
How does it feel?
It feels hard.
How does it feel?
It feels rough.
How does it feel?
Ouch! It feels sharp.
Oh, very nice. Oh, everyone, let's practice one more time with this song. Are you ready?
Yes.
So this time, don't forget to sing louder.
How does it feel?
It feels soft.
How does it feel?
It feels hard.
How does it feel?
It feels rough.
How does it feel?
Ouch! It feels sharp. How does it feel?
It feels soft.
How does it feel?
It feels hard.
How does it feel?
It feels rough.
How does it feel?
Ouch! It feels sharp.
Oh, very nice, everyone. You are good dancers and good singers. So don't forget to practice how to sing and dance with our song that we call How Does It Feel? Alright, students, for today it's thumbs up. Now we have to say goodbye, everyone. Alright, now let's sing and dance with our last song that we call Goodbye Song.